Listen carefully. No one is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your family, not luck. It's on you. No one is coming to save you. Do it yourself. They didn't tell you this growing up. They told you to wait. Wait for motivation. Wait for help. Wait for the right time. But here's the truth. No one is coming. No one is going to wake you up early. No one is going to push you when you're tired. No one is going to fix your life while you scroll and complain. The world doesn't care about your excuses. It only responds to action. You say you're stuck. So are millions of others. The difference: some people move anyway. They work tired. They show up scared. They fail and still keep going. You get ready by doing. Every day you delay, someone else is building the life you want. Every excuse you make is another brick in the wall trapping you. This is your wake-up call. No hero is coming. No shortcut exists. You are the help. You are the plan. You are the only way out. No miracle is happening. So ask yourself this: if no one is coming, what are you going to do today? Get up, get uncomfortable, and save yourself. If this hit you, don't ignore it. Like the video, subscribe for real motivation. And remember, your life changes the moment you stop waiting.